Okay, next reaction, Cannizzaro reaction. So aldol condensation means alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in aldol condensation. But in Cannizzaro reaction, no alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in Cannizzaro reaction. That is the main basic difference between aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. In aldol condensation, alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in aldol condensation. Cannizzaro reaction, no alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in Cannizzaro reaction. So next difference, aldol condensation takes in presence of dilute basic medium or dilute alkali, but Cannizzaro reaction takes in presence of strong basic medium. Okay, why Cannizzaro reaction takes in presence of strong base? Okay, so first one, no alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction. For example, formaldehyde, there is no alpha hydrogen. Okay, so this compound reacts with another formaldehyde in presence of strong basic medium. One formaldehyde group undergo oxidation, so another one undergo reduction, to give, one is formic acid, another one is alcohol, so it is a oxidation product, so it is a reduction product. Okay, in self aldol condensation, it is a self Cannizzaro reaction, it is a self Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so no alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, now you see reaction mechanism. So one more formaldehyde reacts with the base, so it is a nucleophile. This pi bond electron shifted to here, nucleophile attacks here, we get HCO minus OH, H, so it is one intermediate. So another intermediate, it reacts with OH minus. Okay, so OH minus attacks here, it reacts with the 2 OH minus, so this OH minus subtract the proton from this carbon, you get this intermediate. You get this intermediate, so it is intermediate 1, it is intermediate 2. Okay, now it reacts with another mole of formaldehyde. So oxygen have negative charge. This lone pair of electrons shifted to here. Now when this lone pair of electrons shifted to here, the carbon valency become to 5. It is not possible. Now this bonded electron shifted to here. This H minus attacks here. Okay, so here H minus shift takes place, hydrate shift takes place. So this step is a slow step. So it is RTS. This is a rate determining step. When this bonded electron shifted to here, H minus shift takes place. It is a slow step. To give HC double bond OH plus when this H minus attacks here, to give CH3O minus. It is a carboxylic acid. It have acidic character, it donating the H plus ion. The H plus attacks here. to give C double bond O minus plus CH3OH. Now in dilute acidic medium, it is converted to HC double bond OH plus CH3OH. You get this product. Now you have one doubt. So here the reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. In acidic medium it is a carboxylic acid, it is alcohol. So esterification takes place or not? Okay, so here the reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So it is a carboxylic acid, it is alcohol. Okay, so esterification is possible or not? So here esterification is not possible. So esterification takes in presence of concentrated H2SO4, not in presence of dilute H2SO4 or dilute acidic medium. Okay, so in presence of nearly 90% H2SO4. Okay, so here esterification is not possible. We get formic acid and methyl alcohol. In self Cannizzaro reaction, disproportionation takes place. In crossed Cannizzaro reaction, disproportionation is not takes place. In crossed Cannizzaro reaction, oxidation product and reduction product is obtained. Okay, in self Cannizzaro reaction, disproportionation takes place. So here oxidation product is carboxylic acid, reduction product is alcohol. Now in this two intermediate 1 and 2, so which is good hydride donor? Which is good hydride donor? Now you see, this bonded electron shifted to here, it donating the H minus ion. So CH bond cleavage, it is very difficult then compared to alpha hydrogen cleavage. Okay, then compared to alpha hydrogen cleavage. That's why Cannizzaro reaction it is difficult then compared to aldol reaction. When this bonded electron shifted to here, this H minus shift takes place. Okay, now here these two oxygens have negative charge. It have more electron density. Now this bonded electron shifted to here or this bonded electron shifted to here, it donating the H minus ion easily. Now intermediate 1 and 2, which is a good hydride donor. So 2 is good hydride donor than compared to 1, because in second one have more electron density. Oxygen have more electron density. That's why it can able to donating the H minus easily. Okay. Now in Cannizzaro reaction, what is the order of reactivity? Okay, so what is its molecularity? Okay, so now it is a path 1 mechanism, it is a path 2 mechanism. Okay, in path 1 mechanism, so it is a 1 mole aldehyde, it is another mole aldehyde. Okay, so it is a 1 mole base. So the rate is directly proportional to 2 moles of aldehyde and 1 mole of base. So it is a third order reaction. But same reaction takes in presence of high concentration of base. So here 2 moles of base, 2 moles of aldehyde. It is a fourth order reaction. Okay, so the order of reaction in Cannizzaro reaction, the concentration of base is low, it is a third order reaction. The concentration of base is high, it is a fourth order reaction. Okay, so in path 1 mechanism, the concentration of base is only 1 mole. So the number of aldehydes is 2. The order of reaction, it is a third order reaction. In path 2 mechanism, one OH minus attacks here, you get this intermediate. Another OH minus subtract the proton, you get this intermediate. So in path 2 mechanism, here 2 moles OH minus utilized in this reaction. Okay, in low concentration of base, it is a third order reaction. In high concentration of base, it is a fourth order reaction.